everybody, welcome back. I have a real quick project for the 2002 Ranger Edge today. I went on Amazon and bought this storage net. It was less than 10 bucks, and it's actually a pocket, and it comes with the mounting hardware. And I'm going to install it on the back wall of the cab right here. A lot of the Super Cab Rangers have that for storage, and it's a really good idea. So I'm just gonna quickly figure out how to mount it. I think this is probably fiberboard or something on the back. Anyway, you can go right through, and when the seats are back, there won't be much room, but at least I can keep small items in there rather than throwing them back there and have them slide all around under the seat. So I'm gonna get this thing mounted. And here's the mounting hardware that it came with. The 4 screws will attach to these anchor points, which will then attach to the body of the truck. And then I'm not really sure how, but somehow these clips will attach to the net. I think this grommet right there keeps them nice and tight. But I figured out the mounting area. And unfortunately, these speakers are in the way, but that's okay. The nets can go over the speakers just a little bit. So I'm going to mount 2 of the top ones about here, one here, and one over there. And then the bottom ones can go probably behind or under, and that should provide a little bit of utility. I've got the 2 top mounts in place, and they're nice and sturdy, although this isn't going to hold a bunch of weight. But then again, it wasn't really designed to do that. So the only question is going to be these bottom ones. I'm not really too happy about how this goes over the speaker, but this was the smallest net I could find that was also a pocket. That's what I wanted. You could buy smaller ones, but it wasn't this this bag, this pocket. So I guess I'll find a way to secure these bottom ones. Not really crazy about them just flopping around, but that wouldn't be a big deal, I guess. So that would be good for paperwork or small items, whatever can go in there. So let me give this some thought about the bottom mounting points. All right, well, this project is done. Didn't take long at all, and I did end up mounting the lower pegs underneath. They're not blocking the speaker. I mean, it's not ideal, but it wasn't really designed for this, and these speakers are in the way, so what are you gonna do? But it does provide some utility, so I am pretty happy. Anyway, that's gonna do it for another project. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.